My name is Heayoung Yoon. We do lots of experimental parts. As you saw a few minutes ago, Florian talked about the great facilities and the wonderful research that we do at the University of Utah here. And Barati showed you nice nano facilities. My group, we do utilize those systems a lot. Specifically, we are interested in the renewable energies. So here shows some of the examples. We want to make very lightweight and flexible solar energy devices that can actually go to this earth applications, like small devices like ITO, or some flexible electronics, or the smart systems, as well as it can be the real power generation for our cities and homes. Like some of you may have a solar panel on your roof right now. The efficiencies the current technology has right now is a little bit lower than what we can actually achieve in the future. So what we do in here, as you can see in this second image, we try to understand these nanostructures or microstructures of the materials and then connect those properties by engineering the nanoengineering of the materials to make the device that can be integrated in the real system. So we are trying to reaching out these material parts to the system level. We do many different types of solar cells, but we are very, very much interested in these lightweight and flexible devices. The reason is we want to go to not only these Earth applications, we want to go to the outside of the space. For example, I'm not so sure if you can see in here in my house, over there, I always remind myself the space because we are bound on this Earth, but there's a lot of opportunities outside of the Earth. But if we bring the materials or devices, we need to power them. How are you going to do it? So we want to make some feasible energy source based on the solar energies. That's what we are trying to do it. Another new approach that we are trying to work with several collaborators, particularly in our department, we are creating some sensors by engineering the interfaces. So I haven't showed up in here, but we are using very flexible pillar array solar cells or pillar array sensors. They can detect some of the biomedical species so that you can use that one as a sensor. At the same time, use it as a solar cell. So that's what we are trying to do it in our department. So I think that's a major part we are doing it. Oh, I have to mention that one for sure. So as Rajesh Menon said that we do lots of work in the nanofab. We love to have students who are really, really motivated in their research. Because we do a little more work sometimes than other groups. So if you are really, really highly motivated students, currently we have two DOE fundings, Department of Energy fundings, so they can support you when you start your program right away. So feel free to contact me if you have any questions. Thank you.